Hey guys, you're watching NerdyTechExpert and this is me Saad Khan. Today I'm here with yet another unboxing video of this TaoTronics soundbar. The model is TTSK026. It is a 2.1 channel soundbar. You can connect it with Bluetooth or wired mode. So let's get into the video. Alright, so here we have the box. What I like about this box is that it has a very simplistic design. Only 2.1 channel wireless soundbar is written, and a standard monochrome picture of the product itself. Nothing on the front side, see, and just a little thing written on here about the 2.1 channel wireless soundbar and its model, and it simply states that it's all can also be paired to the device using Bluetooth, and nothing else on any other side. So let's start unboxing it. Okay, let's open it up. So let's remove these foams that come in. First of all, you get this thing. It's the power cord, with the help of which you can install it to a power outlet. This one, has all the cables and some manuals. You see, the aux cable, the coaxial cable, whatever connection seems better to you, you can use it. You also get these screws to mount it on your wall if you want. Some packaging and warranty cards, and the manual operation guide with the help of which you can use it. And this is the remote control. Yes, this also can be operated using the remote control standard: the mute button, the power button, the volume button, the next and previous, play and pause, audio output, and other equalizer settings, Bluetooth, and other options are also there. So this is also in the box. Let's take out the soundbar. Let's open it up. Okay, so here we have the actual soundbar. The front design is also very minimalistic with just the company logo here and nothing else on any area of the sound bar. This is the upside area of these are the speaker outlets, and we have 5 buttons here. One for the power up, this one probably going to be for equalizer, this is going to be some sort of sound mode I think, and plus and minus for volume controls. And if we look at the back side, you have 1 and 2 here, 2 areas to which you can use to mount this bar to the wall under your television if your television is mounted on the wall. And here goes your power input, and here are all the audio inputs. You see the aux cable, the 3.5 mm, the coaxial cable, and the optical cable output. So a review is coming soon for this product on our channel, and stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that whenever we upload a video like that or any other video tech related, you get the notification instantly. Till then, NerdyTechExpert, peace out.